Hey everybody and happy summer! It's Chris Pierce here with the PR Properties Real Estate Group at Century 21 In-Town Realty, presenting to you today another one of our amazing listings, 23611 114th A Avenue. This charming 3,100 square foot home sits in the Cottonwood area of Maple Ridge, features 6 bedrooms, an extra large den area, private fenced in yard. We're so excited to show it to you guys. I can't list off all the features, so take a break from the Olympics, come on in and check it out. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video with us, spending time with us today at this beautiful home. I just came out of the income suite that this house features, and I forgot to even mention that at the beginning. Anyways, we can't wait to show it to you, so please call us or email us anytime. Swing by the open house and let us know. We'll be happy to show you this home. Thank you so much and have a great day, guys.